Every night for a week, my dog would freeze at the threshold of a dim hallway, his hackles bristling at shadows I couldn't see. Tonight, instead of growling, he wagged his tail and padded forward, his eyes locked on something invisible. I called to him, but he ignored me, paws tapping wetly on the tile. When I finally stepped into the hall, crimson prints trailed behind him, leading straight to my bedroom. My heart pounded as I followed, only to find the door slowly swinging shut, my dog's bloody tail visible beneath it. Then, from inside, I heard a second set of claws scratching at the wood, claws that didn't belong to my dog.